Hey guys, I'm back with something else here. I wouldn't really call it an unboxing. I wanted to share with you as I go through the work on my Can Am Ryker. I've worked on my Honda, I've worked on my Audi electric motorcycles. Strangely enough, I was putting a steering dampener on my Can Am Ryker, and I had to torque the bolts. I was using some adapters that were 1/4 inch adapters, and I had to, they were calibrated, the torque specifications were calibrated in, what's it called, inch pounds, there's foot pounds, there's inch pounds, I guess that's how you say it. I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about. And so I looked at my torque wrenches I have 3 manual torque wrenches, and none of them had such a granular breakdown. The range, when you get a torque wrench, it usually has a range. They were big. I had all 1/2 inch torque wrenches, and I thought, you know what, I'm doing so much work on the Ryker. There's so many bolts I'm gonna torque because I'm messing with a lot of suspension things. The hex set that the wrench set that I'm using is 1/4 inch sockets, and they're short sockets to get into tight spaces. And I said, well, let me get a 1/4 inch ratchet. I got one, and I used it, but somehow I didn't feel confident. And I said, you know what? Let me. It's Christmas time. Black Friday sale. This name here is pronounced. I went to YouTube to find out how it's pronounced. Someone pronounced it YIYEIE. It's YIYEIE. It is a 12-piece digital torque wrench. So I thought if I could dial in the exact torque measurement I wanted, and it says plus or minus 1% accuracy, if it is in fact accurate, which I'll be able to tell sooner or later, then it makes things so much easier and so much quicker. So I haven't opened it. I'm going to pop the cardboard cover now. It says buzzer and LED indicator. So both the LED and buzzer let you know when you've hit that torque specification. 5 units, NM, pounds, feet, inches, feet, KGF, CM, and KGF, M. I usually use feet, pounds, Newton meters. So preset and store function, and it's accurate. It's saying to plus or minus 1%. They give you a 12-month warranty, which I think probably should be more, but I guess on tools that's hard, right? Flip around the back. Packaging details. It comes with 1/4 drive extension bar, 1/4 drive extension universal joint, 1/4 to 3/8 adapter, a bit holder, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like in millimeters, so it's metric shallow sockets. Technical data: model Y0080. Drive 1/4 inch drive, accuracy CW plus or minus 1%, graduated range 1.5 to 30 Newton meters, number of ratchet teeth 72 teeth, mode peak mode and track mode, prompting method buzzer and LED. So let's get into it. I really don't care if I mess up the bar, but I didn't want to mess it up before I opened it in front of you guys. I haven't used it, and don't know exactly when I will, because it's winter in New York. But Black Friday, a chance to get more tools. I'm always buying tools. I probably got 3 or 4 of every tool. I'll never use that cover again, so who cares? Here's the case. Nice case. Feels okay. It's a little plasticky. Could be heavier. I already see it flexing here, but you're not going to drop. It's not heavy. Branding on the front. Nothing else. Easy open. Very easy. Very, very easy. And here you go. So I'm going to turn this up so you can see. You got the user manual. It's quite crushed. You've got 3 AA batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 sockets. You got 2 adapters. You got the universal joints. You got an extension. And you have the tool itself, which is quite solid. Quite solid. From what I can tell, you'd have to open up 2 screws to put the batteries in. Let me see. No. There we go. There you go. Batteries go in here. They drop singular and all 3 down. Let's see if they tell me really quick what direction they go in. I may not. I'll use the batteries they sent first. Why not? Let those run out. I usually use high-end, Duracells in all my tools because I hate to have them fail when I need them. But since we're gonna use the normal logic, right? Got the spring on the bottom. That's usually negative, right? So, pop out the 3 batteries real quick. These are actually AAA batteries. I thought they were, looking at them, they were AA, but they're 3 AAA batteries. 2, 3. Put this in. And this is not really an unboxing or anything. I'm just showing you this is what I purchased. As I use it on the Ryker, and you see my videos, you'll probably see me use it, and you'll get a sense of whether I like it or not. There you go. I turned it on. You saw it go red. You see it blinking. I hope you can. And it now says 0.00. There's different units. That's foot down. That's foot down inches. And then you have an up and down to change it, and a memory to store it. Seems pretty normal. One long press, it turns off. So the YIYEIE, funny name, right? YIYEIE. I don't know how they come up with these names. Let's take out the universal joint just to take out one piece to see the quality of it. Not that I would use it. I'll probably use my own. I don't like this. It looks like, depending on the torque setting, I could probably pop that pin. It doesn't feel that solid. But who cares? I didn't buy it for that. I bought it for this. Sockets seem okay, but I've got tons of really great sockets, Milwaukee sockets, and so that's not a problem. So stay tuned when you see me in the shop in the spring of 2026. This will likely be right there. And if I recall, when I do one of my videos, I'll let you know how it worked out. I do have to torque the steering dampener because I put it on and I kind of used the manual torque wrench and I wasn't really sure I hit it right. And I wanted to double check it, and now I'll double check it with this because I actually couldn't remember whether I torqued it actually. And I did ride and test ride. It was okay, but who knows if it moved, right? So I'm going to redo the measurements, torque it. You'll see this. I'm going to try to talk my wife into getting me the half-inch version of this digital version for Christmas, and then I can use a half-inch to 3/8 adapter, and I've got everything covered. So stay tuned. Always glad to see you. Always thankful for your support. I see my subscriber numbers keep going up, and that means that you're liking my content, and I'm loving that you're liking my content, and we're enjoying this together. Remember, everything like this was Black Friday sale, but I paid for it out of my own pocket. So when you like and subscribe, it takes about 1 second, but what it does is it adds up, and eventually I get a small check from YouTube, which helps me to buy more stuff. And even when you send me stuff in the comments and you say, could you try this out? I go buy it if it works for me, if it makes sense to me. So there are things that people will suggest that will make sense to me. I'll go purchase with my own money. So please, I appreciate your support. Until the next time, have a great holiday, great Christmas. I doubt I'll be coming back with another one, but who knows? Even though Black Friday is over, it's Christmas. Catch you soon.